So welcome back to our third part of our video of designing a fiscal tax invoice. We had this question of the company Google Limited. They wanted us to create a fiscal tax invoice for them. What we did in the first part, we created product that we had. We created the customer. In the second video, we created an invoice, and what we did is we removed things that we didn't want to show on our invoice. So now the third stage is to move around columns, deleting columns, moving them to the right position. So what you do, you go here where it says layout designer. So as you can see, this is our layout designer. We want to move some of the things, and it's just a matter, guys, of arranging things that we're now doing here. We just want to arrange things. So for starters, let me just start here. I just double ticked. It just says invoice here. I'll just say fiscal tax invoice. Then okay. Then to move all these, you just highlight the whole thing, then maybe scroll downwards. I want to move this so that they create space for this thing that I just renamed. I said you click like this, then maybe you move down. Fiscal tax invoices is here. Then what's left now to do is, let me start with the registered name. Let me just undo this. So this is like where all the work is, guys. This is like where we have all the work. Okay, let me just click. I want to shorten this registered name. Yeah, like this. I'd move it there. Then I highlight everything here. It's just a matter of designing things. This part, guys, it's just a matter of arranging things the way that you want to. This is where all the hard part is. Not the hard part exactly, but where all the lot of work is. It'll be just a matter of aligning all these things, shifting and moving. Like this. So what also want is for this customer fat number. I move it downwards like this. Then I firstly want this section, highlight it all. Then I want you to move it here. Let me just move it here. Then let me enlarge it like this. Then let me use this. Let me do it like that. So yeah, let me maybe move this one downwards a bit. And also this one downwards a bit. Let me remove grid line so you guys can actually see what's going on here. I've removed grid lines. Oh, that was the address. Let me just leave it like this so that it a bit aligns. Google Limited, here it is the space of the logo. So now we have also the customer VAT number here. Now what you want to do is to remove some of these things here. Then let me start with this one. Document number there. That's our document number. Then we have what? We have invoice. We have invoice date. If you have a mouse, you'll be real quick with this. You'll be very, very quick. You'll be done with no time. It's just a matter of like, we are just designing. We're just designing things here, guys. We're just designing things. Make sure like yours, if you want to try, it has to come up just something similar to this. Then we have this. No, actually, I just want this one at the bottom. I highlighted it all. Now I'm just moving it by shifting so that it don't take anything that I don't want. Just take that one only. Let me make this one a bit larger. Customer VAT range. Let me make it a bit larger as well. Let me move it to the right, to the left, I mean. Let me move this one to the left as well. Something like this. Let me move this one to the left as well. Downwards to the right, downwards. I'm just going to be real quick here, but make sure if you have enough time, you make sure these things they just align so that they come up nicely. Something like this. Yeah, it's now coming out nicely. It's now trying to come up nicely. Let me just leave it as just like this. We have the document number, invoice date, company VAT rate number. Now what you want to do is like play around downwards here. VAT summary. I want to remove this. Right click and remove. Now what we want to do is we want to enlarge this text. We want to remove this. Mm, now what you want to do, I removed something so that we'll be left with this box. So we want to enter our banking details here. So I've removed like a box which was populating things that has to do with the VAT. We never needed that. So I'm just left with this box which here I'll just say banking details. Then I say okay here. Let me just a bit down. Then yeah. Then let me make me this something a bit short. Something like this. Then lastly, what you want to do is to rename these things. Want to rename these things. Here I'm just going to say total excluding VAT. No, like total excluding VAT. Then you say I'll leave it as VAT total here. Then I say total including VAT. Now done. So what's left now is this is what we wanted to do. We have moved this to make it like something like this. Then we have downwards only removed the VAT box so that we just left with this simple text and here saying banking details. Now we want to say, let's just say, okay, here, I want to add the logo. I want to add the logo. Maybe I should go to layout designer here. Then I say add image. You want to add the image. You want to add the logo for this company. Let me look for a logo. Yeah, Google logo. Was the logo of the company. Let's just remove it here. If you've done this, we are now done. You just say okay. So this would be for the thing that we're selling. We've come up with our fiscal tax invoice. Now what we want to do is, let's say, print this thing. We want to print this thing. Print to. Let me just save this to desktop. Let me say it is Google invoice. Click save. So in the next video, let me just open it now. I wanted to open it in the next video, but let me just open it. Where was it? This one. So this is our fiscal tax invoice, guys. So in the next video, I'll show you how to convert this to Word, and if you're told to do for the Zimbabwean dollar, how you can go about it, how you can do all that. So for now, let's end the, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share this video.